In front of me is INFINIX Smart 9 HD, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit password and security. Now tap on face unlock, enter your screen lock, hit enroll face, wait 5 seconds and hit start. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now manage those options, hit done and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!